Okay, so let's say you just build a website using ChatGPT sites. It looks good, it functions good, but you don't like the domain name of the website. So by default, the site will have this extension at the end. It says chatgpt.site, and not to mention the domain is usually very long. So you don't want to use something like this. It is not very professional. It is difficult to type. So you want to use your own custom name or your custom domain name. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a custom domain name for a website that was built using ChatGPT sites. So first, you have to purchase a domain name. There are plenty of places where you can buy a domain name. One example is namecheap.com. It is very popular. It has a wide range of domain names. You can also go with godaddy.com, and that's another popular option. But for me, my favorite place when it comes to buying a brand new domain name is cloudflare.com. So this is not exactly known as a place for buying a domain name, but they do sell a domain name. And what's interesting, what makes Cloudflare better than the other options is in Cloudflare, it is going to give you the cheapest price. So they're not making any profit from selling domains. They're just selling other products. So when you're buying a domain from them, it is basically the exact same price. It is the price that was set by the organization behind this domain name. So you will get the best price on Cloudflare. But again, it is optional if you are more comfortable with other options, or maybe you have some preferences that you want to use a local domain name, for example, then you can go with the other place. But in this video, I'll just use Cloudflare. Now I'm going to click login, and I'll just buy the domain name right here. You can navigate to the domain section and then click registrations. So let's say I want to buy this domain name, and it has a wide range of domain names. I think that it has hundreds or maybe even thousands of different extensions. If you click supported TLDs, you'll see that these are some domain names that you can buy from Cloudflare. So it is actually quite interesting because it can be based on the topic of your website. If you are a company selling a consultation service, then you can go with the .consulting domain. I think that looks really cool. And there are also other options, like maybe you are selling a design service or you are a dentist, etc. So these are available, but I'll just use this simple .win domain, and I'll just click purchase. And of course, after that, you have to enter your details, enter your debit or credit card information, and you have to pay. Now I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the next thing that you need to do. Okay, I'll just complete the purchase, and hopefully I can finish the payment. I hope it goes through. All right. Okay, so your domain is on its way. I think the payment is successful. Yes, I can see that on my phone. Yeah, I just finished the payment to Cloudflare. Okay, so here the domain is ready to be used. Now, if you navigate to your home, you can see the domains that you have right here. You can open it, and then you can navigate to DNS, then click records, because later we will actually do some settings right here on this page. So first, let's go back to the site on ChatGPT sites. Now you can navigate to the sites menu on the left side on the sidebar, and on the website that you want to apply a new domain name, click this three-dot icon, go to settings. They're still waiting. Now, under the domain section, click add domain, and then you can type the domain name that you just purchased on Cloudflare. And that is this one, AsapGuide.win, and click add domain. All right, just wait. It's going to give you a few details that later we have to apply to the domain provider, which in this case, Cloudflare. Now, as you can see here, we got the several records. There are 4 records that we have to put into the domain provider. Now, I guess I'll just put them side by side so it will be easier to apply them. Okay. And oh, sorry about that. Okay, I need to put them side by side. And okay, all right. So right here on Cloudflare on the right side, I'm going to click add record. The first one is the type is A, so this is correct. The name is just the add character, and the IP4 is this one. I'll just copy it. Okay, looks good. And the proxy status is just enabled by default. I'm going to click save. And then let's add another one. This one is also A, and the name is add, and the IP address is this one. Save again. Another record. This one is .txt. Sorry, just txt. And then I have to copy this. Oh, sorry about that. That's the wrong value. Okay, the wrong field. Now this is correct. And I'll just copy this thing again. I'll just copy and paste. The TTL is usually auto, should be good enough. And another one. Lastly is also txt. And the name is this one, which I don't know how to pronounce it. tf custom hostname.asapguide.win. And this is the value. Okay, looks good. Click save. And now we just need to wait. So Cloudflare is among the fastest, so usually the new domain can resolve in just a few minutes in most cases, although sometimes it can take several hours. But if you click refresh, the domain should be able to be ready to be used or paired to this site. Now it hasn't, so we have to wait maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then we can come back again. We can click refresh, and hopefully the new site will have a new domain. Actually, it has been resolved. One record has been resolved, but we're still waiting for the other 3. So I'll just skip a while and I'll just show you the final result. Okay, now the status has changed from ending to active, and that means the records have been resolved between Cloudflare and ChatGPT sites. Now, before you open the website with a new domain name, I do recommend to check the sharing settings. So in the settings page, you can see that there is a sharing section. Click share settings and change the setting from private, from only you, to anyone with the link, and then click save. So by default, every website that you created using ChatGPT sites will be private. Nobody can see that unless if they log in with their ChatGPT account. And initially this tool was meant for internal enterprise customers, but now anyone can start creating website using ChatGPT sites. Okay, so I just changed the setting and I'll try to open the new domain name and hopefully we can see the website. Okay, there you go. That was really quick. So yeah, it was able to resolve the new domain name to the actual website that was built using ChatGPT sites. We just turned this very long and not very brandable name into something that looks and sounds more memorable, that maybe reflect your brand, your product, or your name a lot better. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want to see some really cool things that you can do with AI, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.